Now say, roar, monster, roar. Chase me away.
Roar, monster, roar.
No, chase me, chase me. No, not that fast. Too fast, too fast. Come on. Go, walk. Monster with a lawnmower. Run for your life. Chase me faster. Help! Greg, come on, chase me. Go roar. Say roar. Say roar. Greg, say roar. Greg, chase me. And say roar. Say roar. Say roar, I'm a monster. I'll give you candy.
What?
Say roar, I'm a monster, and I'll give you candy.
Roar, oh, monster.
Now chase me. Chase me. Help, it's the monster. Come on, Greg, chase faster. You'll say roar.
Roar.
Chase me faster! Come on, chase me faster! 2:30. I'm gonna prepare a trap for the moth so he won't eat me. See, it's a huge hole. Look at it. It's covered in leaves. Monster, step right here and you can eat me. Step right here. Not your lawnmower, just step right here with your foot. Ah!